2.
Hi, Lai! Happy birthday! Love you and araw na mabuti and good luck sa lahat. Love you, Lai! Miss you! Hello, Lion! Happy birthday! Surprise gift ko sana sa'yo. Si Jessica Sanchez nandito para kantahan ka ng happy birthday. Pero, kasi di ba taga Chula Vista yun? Okay, anyway. Happy birthday! Ang wish ko para sa'yo eh, sana bigyan ka pa ni God ng kanyang knowledge, wisdom, and understanding, at saka strength and patience para matupad mo na yung mga pinapangarap mo para sa'yo at saka para sa mami mo. So, I love you and I miss you. Stay strong. Tsaka maglandian pa kayo ni boyfriend pero huwag kalimutang mag-aral, okay? Okay. Bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi! Happy birthday! Good luck sa God-bless studies. Sana matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Tsaka, dito lang kami para sa'yo, Lai. Miss you, Lai. Take care.
At dahil birthday mo ngayon, meron akong gift sa'yo.
Happy birthday! Bye-bye. See you soon.
Hi, Lai. Happy birthday. Hi, Lai. Happy birthday. Wait. Let me get my jam on. Anyway. Nag-charge kasi ako. Ipipilit ko, Lai. Wait lang. Happy birthday, Lion, Lion. Your hair is not a lion, but you're a lion. Happy birthday, Lion. Okay na ba yun? Well, good luck to you. Miss you.
Good luck on your med school. I know that you're going through a lot and there's more to go bago umabot ang pinakamimiti mo, ang maging Dr. Romero. Pakinggaling. Dr. Romero. Pero yun yung mga tipo ng doktor na parang di masyadong pagkakatiwalaan, masyadong pagalingan. Parang you'll be hesitant if you're going to consult them. Joke lang! We're just here, your flipped-up love, to support you all the way until the end. I know that everything will pay off. Good luck and God bless.
Hi! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best, saka congratulations nga pala kasi second year ka na sa med. Galingan mo ha, Ate Lai, para hindi na kami magpapagamot. O pa naman, magkapatid tayo, di ba? Ika lang ha. Meron ako gift sa'yo. O, ayan, mag-wish ka na. Tapos, lawyer. Hi, Sai! Happy birthday. Actually, it's already 1 na. And yet, hindi ko pa nagagawa yan. Kasi, hindi ko alam paano magkakasya. Gusto kong sabihin, pero ngayon, decided na ako na babati na lang. Happy birthday. And gusto ko lang din pasalamat for your time na sinare sa akin for your 22nd birthday up to now. Then, gusto ko din salamat sa lahat ng experience mo, lahat ng yung momenting natin yung friendship mo na yun. We don't really have that kind of communication na yun. Kaya mag-detect. We have this understanding talaga na okay tayo. And I'm okay with that. But kung may pagkulang na yun lang, yung naging ganyan sa med, sana more focus ka pa sa studies mo and sana we decide to move closer with God. Yun lang. May God bless you mula sa health mo. Don't forget to pray and with all the praying for you. And nandito lang ako kahit ano. mangyari kahit anong failure or triumph na kapagdadaan. Happy birthday. I love you and I miss you na. Sana we can get together back. Yun lang.
Word.
So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living young and wild and free. So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go out. That's how it's supposed to be. Living